Can a tiny seed really help you manage blood sugar? Chia seeds are often called a superfood, but are they actually useful for people with type 2 diabetes? In this video, we're breaking down the science behind chia seeds, how they affect blood sugar, what studies really say, and how to use them for the best results. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you one way to eat them that could change everything. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant. They're small, black or white seeds that were prized by the Aztecs for energy and endurance. Today they're packed with fiber, omega-3s, protein and antioxidants. Just 1 tablespoon has 5 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, and almost no net carbs. They absorb liquid and form a gel-like texture, which is key to their effect on blood sugar. So how do they help with diabetes? Well, they slow down digestion. The gel that forms around chia seeds slows the breakdown of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual blood sugar rise. They're rich in fiber, which slows glucose absorption and helps reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Some studies suggest chia seeds help improve insulin sensitivity, especially when eaten as part of a low-carb diet. And because they're so filling, chia seeds can help control appetite, a big factor in managing type 2 diabetes. Let's talk research. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that people with type 2 diabetes who consumed chia seeds experienced improved glycemic control and reduced inflammation. Another study showed that chia seed supplementation helped lower post-meal blood sugar compared to other carbohydrate sources. The reason? Chia's unique gel slows down how quickly sugar is released into the bloodstream. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Soak them in water or plant-based milk for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, porridge, or make chia pudding. Pro tip: add cinnamon or a splash of vanilla for flavor. Pair with protein or fat for even better blood sugar stability. Just a heads up, don't eat them dry. They absorb liquid and expand, so always soak them first to avoid digestive discomfort. So, are chia seeds a blood sugar miracle or just hype? They're not magic, but they are powerful. They help slow digestion, reduce glucose spikes, and improve insulin sensitivity, and they're easy to include in a low-carb, whole-food lifestyle. Do you use chia seeds in your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more food facts to help manage type 2 diabetes naturally. See you in the next video.